Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the LG washer when it is not turning on in 2026. So when the washer does not power on, it simply means that the electricity is not reaching or not activating the control system. And this can happen due to external power issue or sometimes internal fuse or filter related problem or due to control board that is not responding. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to test the power at source under load. So plug a high power device like a heater into the same outlet. If it flickers or fails, the issue is unstable voltage and not the washer itself. Also, you need to check if the outlet is controlled by a wall switch. After doing so, simply check the power cord entry point, inspect where the power cord enters the washer, and then you can just simply look for any kind of loose connections, any kind of burn marks or cable damages. So this area often gets stretched and it can then interrupt the power. After doing so, you just have to unplug the washer and then simply press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then plug it back in, and this discharges the internal capacitors and it can also revive a stuck board. Now, some of the motors will not have the power fully if the door switch not detected correctly. So you need to simply close the door firmly and then try it again. So you can try all of these methods and see if your LG washer is now turning on. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.